Hi, to edit a shared file from Canva, make sure that you either sign in into your account or sign up using the steps below. Make sure that during this process, you leave your account open. Notice that you have to create a very strong password until it's green as shown in the demo. You're going to notice that once you signed up into Canva, you're going to be asked the purpose. We click personal, and also we want to skip the trial, so we choose maybe later. After you select the personal option, now you can leave Canva open in one tab, and then in a separate tab, you're going to log in into your email and click on the share link. Make sure that in this step, first go to File, make a copy so it is your own private copy. Otherwise, you will be working with a shared copy. So make sure that you complete this step before editing the document. Now in this step, notice that I am clicking on the name of the file, the copy of copy, and I'm assigning a different name. In this case, I picked my own project. Make sure that you either press enter or select outside the area. This is kind of the fun part, I will say, because this is where you play with the fonts, the different styles. You can change colors, and then we're going to show you how to change the pictures. But here you can rename anything on the Canva document. You can either change the text throughout the document, or you can also replace the pictures as you go along. We're going to show you in a moment. After you replace the text, now you can go to Photos, type food, and then double click pretty much on any of the images that you like so you can insert them in the document. You can now delete any of the old images by clicking on them and pressing delete. In this area, you can resize and adjust all of the pictures, and you can rename the pages as you see and edit all of the content. Once you finish editing all of the text and changing the pictures around, you're ready to click the download button on the upper right hand corner. Notice that here you can download, present, share, and many other features in Canva. So in this case, we're going to choose PDF standard, click the download button, and wait for it to download on your computer. Once the pop-up message appears, click Continue Editing. So once the download is complete, just make sure that you check your folder, open the document just to verify that everything looks good. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching.